My YouTube channel name is Natural Home Remedy. I want you to make a good YouTube script for it on my keyword. Lemongrass oil can use. Start with a hook, make sure it big and straight to the point, and explain the main points. Please do not forget anything here is a draft YouTube script for your Natural Home Remedy channel on the keyword. Lemongrass oil can use. Hook. Did you know lemongrass essential oil is one of the most versatile natural remedies out there? In this video, we'll reveal 5 powerful ways you can use lemongrass oil to boost your health and well-being. Stay tuned to learn how this potent plant extract could be your new go-to-home remedy. Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, your source for science-backed tips on using natural ingredients for better health. I'm your host, your name. Today we're talking all about the incredible benefits and uses of lemongrass essential oil. Main points. 1. Lemongrass oil is a natural antimicrobial that can help fight off harmful bacteria and fungus. 1. You can use it topically on the skin to cleanse minor cuts and scrapes, or diffuse it in your home to purify the air and prevent the spread of airborne pathogens. 2. Lemongrass is well known for its energizing, uplifting aroma. 2. Whenever you need a quick pick-me-up, simply open the bottle and inhale the refreshing scent, or mix a few drops with a carrier oil and massage it into your temples and wrists. 2. The zesty fragrance will perk you right up. 3. Lemongrass oil is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent. 3. Applying it diluted to sore muscles and joints may help reduce pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis, sprains, and strains. 3. The antioxidants in lemongrass oil fight oxidative damage that can worsen inflammation in the body. 4. Bug bites and stings ruining your outdoor fun? 4. Reach for the lemongrass oil. 4. It's a natural insect repellent that can keep mosquitoes, flies, and other pests at bay. 4. Mix it with water in a spray bottle and spritz it on your skin, or use it to make DIY bug repellent candles for your next camping trip or backyard cookout. 5. Last but not least, lemongrass oil makes a wonderfully soothing and cleansing addition to your skin and hair care routine. 5. Add a couple drops to your face wash to help balance oily skin, or mix it into your shampoo to strengthen hair follicles and leave your locks smelling fresh and clean. Closing CTA. I hope this gave you some great ideas for how to start using lemongrass essential oil in your daily life. Be sure to check the description box below for info on where you can get a pure, high-quality lemongrass oil. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, and subscribe to Natural Home Remedy for more amazing ways to use essential oils and other natural ingredients. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.